the series of LangChain, I think prompt engineering should be the first thing to learn. And here are a few things that's really important to be a master of LangChain. These are the building blocks actually. And after that, let me give you an overview of prompt templates. So prompt templates, it turns user input, like you are giving it instructions, this is what you need to do. Like you are in customer service support for this company. So this is the instructions you can give through the prompt templates. It's using a dictionary so that you can convert the variable. Like, okay, you are a very good AI assistant and you need to write a joke for me for this topic, for slash topic. So this topic, like this is the topic and this is the topic, could be replaced with anything. Like you can use AI for anything. Like you are very expert for naming a companies and give a name to my specific company. So prompt output, because different LLMs have a different sort of requirement. So prompt templates is going to help you to write a very good output for the LLM. Because the purpose of it is because different LLMs have a different input format. So prompt template is going to help you and solve all these things for you. Because already prompting have a different types, and first we are going to study string prompt templates. So if you can see that, tell me a joke about topic. So what is topic? Topic is nothing. But now we can replace this topic with a cat. Tell me a joke about cat. Tell me a joke about car. Tell me a joke about. You can replace it with anything, and you can use AI for different purpose. So this is replaced with the cat, and you can see the output is tell me a joke about cat. Even there is no cat written, but it's replaced with the cat. Chat prompt template is going to help you to format a list of messages. Like you can give it a sequence of messages, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to help you in that. Like we are going to replace it in the same case, like we have discussed about topic. It could be replaced with topics like cat, or if you want to, with whatever you want to talk about, it will be replaced. Sequence of messages, and then it will be replaced. Message prompt template is the really best thing, which I really like, because example, if you're going to build a whole product and you want to give a lot of people access of it so that they can do prompting of your product. So what you need to do, you need to give it as internal prompting. So this is what I call specifically internal prompting. You are a helpful assistant. So you can also write you are a helpful assistant, but you don't need to help people in crime, you don't need to write bad contents, you don't need to do this. So these are the instructions which you can give to your AI, which is called system message. And then later, like placeholder, people can also write their messages as well, but it will be your message, what you want to do, and then the other will be people messages. So it's going to help you if you are going to build a product, and I would love to see. Please share it with me. And now your name is Mari, and your customer AI support, and this you can write it. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and then see you in the next video.